Alicia Unique, and I'm back with another video. So we've been having a snowstorm around here. We done had a snowstorm for the last week, I believe. So the kids been out on break since Christmas break, and today is January 13th, and they finally go back to school. I know I look a mess, I don't care, but got the kids up and ready for school. Say hey, boys. Y'all ready for school? Yeah. They ready for school. So we just ready. I guess I'll give the camera to their dad while he take them to the bus stop. But I just wanted to get on here and say that I pray that everybody have a wonderful day, and hopefully today goes good for me. I'm finna be 30 on the 21st, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I'm not gonna do much because I'm trying to get some LLCs and some businesses and some, you feel me? So I ain't gonna do too much, but I'm gonna re-clean my room, get my computer stuff together so I can start getting up there. So this is the snow, y'all. This is what it looks like. So some parts is still messed up, some not. So probably have to cut this video and flip it or whatever because I've been holding this camera wrong. But I got on a little dress today. Let me show y'all. Well, I'm getting the kids ready, looking a mess, but that's okay. But I'm gonna get back on here and when he's walking the kids to school. So yeah, see y'all in a minute. All right, come on, y'all ready?
As we talk about some of my favorite veggies.
What time is it? Trey, what time is it?
Like 9:50.
Should we go now?
It's 9:50.
Come on, be careful.
We're gonna be waiting in the cold for a long time.
Sorry.
Oh no, it's so slippery.
Ooh, it's slippery out here, y'all. Yes, y'all are. Look, they're scared.
It's literally freaking slippery. No, it's not. Babies.
Y'all some babies. It's not that slippery. Hopefully, they bus got some room to come through. Look at these streets. It's crazy.
Mommy, can you give me air shoes?
Our power was out for 2 days. It was crazy. Huh?
Can you give me some air shoes?
Some air shoes?
Uh-huh.
What's some air shoes? What are air shoes?
Like it's shoes where fire comes out from the bottom and you can like do this and float on air.
What? I ain't never heard of them shoes. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Find something. Oh, get out the street. Go over there. Be careful. Tay, what did I just say? I don't. All right, you're gonna be flying in a minute.
Guys, look.
Stop doing that.
Is this how George goes?
Who's George?
I still remember that.
Who's George?
What we did at activity right here.
Who's George?
515.
From where?
Peppa Pig.
Oh, okay, that's why you ain't gonna be watching that no more.
I watched it when I was like 4 years old.
That's why he won't be watching that no more.
I watched it when I was like 4 years old.
And you won't be watching it anymore.
Have you watched it before, Mommy? Like in 2000 something.
Y'all have a great day, okay? Go to the bus. Love y'all. Love you. No, baby, go to the bus. I got a cigarette. Now I'm sad. What you say?
Back in school.
What you say?
Young kid back in school.